Welcome. In this video I will show you how to connect your Bluetooth headphones to TCL TV. First of all, grab a pair of your headphones and put them into pairing mode. There is no universal way to do that, but generally headphones usually start flashing rapidly when they are being put into pairing mode. Usually it is done by holding some kind of power button on your headphones. In my case, it's located at the bottom of the case. So if I hold it down for about 5 seconds, my headphones will be put into pairing mode. But if you want to know a specific way for your headphones to be put into pairing mode, you gotta check the manual to your device. Once your headphones are in the pairing mode, navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of your TV screen to open settings. Then navigate to remotes and accessories. Select add accessory. Then select OK to confirm. And then let your TV find your headphones. Once it finds them, select them on the list. Wait for a couple of seconds. And then select pair. And right now, your headphones are connected to your TCL TV. If you want to unpair them, select them in the same menu and select Unpair. You can also disconnect them or connect them by selecting the Connect option right here. But if you want to forget them so that you will have to repair them next time you want to connect them to your TV, select Unpair and then OK. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.